Welcome to Need It Now. Today, you'll see kitchen gadgets that elevate your cooking, sharpen your routine, and bring a touch of brilliance to every meal. If you enjoy discovering tools that genuinely upgrade your home, hit subscribe, press like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your opinion shapes our next selections. And don't forget, every product featured in this video is waiting for you in the description below. Meet the Bear Baby Food Maker, a compact kitchen companion designed to turn fresh ingredients into warm, silky meals for your baby with remarkable precision. In one device, it steams and blends through curated programs for vegetables, fruits, fish, or meat, guiding each preparation with a rhythm that feels effortless for you and comforting for your child. Its steaming cycle protects natural aromas, tenderness, and nutrients, while the high-quality blades create purees with a texture that elevates even the simplest recipes. The touch panel responds immediately, the Triton cup keeps every portion safe, and the alerts ensure the process stays under control at all times. When everything is ready, a self-cleaning routine clears the bowl so you can focus on the rest of your kitchen flow. It brings a sense of order, calm, and modern design to any cooking space, especially during those early months when every tool must work flawlessly. And right now, this newborn-friendly chef's assistant is available for $74.99, a thoughtful addition to your culinary routine. This is the George Foreman fully submersible grill, designed to bring fast, flavorful cooking into any kitchen without adding mess. It heats quickly, giving meats, sandwiches, and vegetables a consistent sear thanks to its adjustable hinge that adapts to thicker cuts. The reinforced non-stick plates release food smoothly and keep every piece intact. When you finish cooking, the entire grill, once the control panel is removed, can be washed in the sink or placed in the dishwasher, turning cleanup into a short, simple step. Its compact shape stores vertically, saving counter space while still offering room for 4 generous portions. It's a smart choice for homes that value speed, flavor, and neat organization during busy meals. And today you can add it to your kitchen for $46.99, a practical upgrade for everyday cooking. Few accessories change the way you enjoy a cold drink like this lid and handle set. It locks onto any 12-ounce can with a firm, balanced hold, turning casual sips into a cleaner, smoother moment. The insulated grip prevents moisture, the straw cover stops leaks, and the bright colors bring energy to picnics, game nights, or a quick break in the kitchen. Crafted from safe, reusable materials, this set comes in at $19.99, a small touch that elevates every can. A gadget like this sausage and meatball maker brings real craft into your kitchen. Its vertical design lets you shape sausages or roll meatballs with steady control, turning seasoned blends into uniform pieces that look professionally made. The barrel holds a generous amount of meat, so each batch flows smoothly with a gentle press. Modes switch quickly, assembly stays simple, and cleanup takes only a rinse before the next recipe. It's the kind of tool that turns weekend cooking into a shared ritual, giving your family a taste of something genuinely homemade. And today, this compact creator lands at $17.99, a small step that expands your culinary repertoire. When you add this metal grinder attachment to your KitchenAid mixer, the entire cooking rhythm changes. Fresh cuts turn into perfectly ground meat within minutes, giving you full control over texture for burgers, meatballs, sauces, or homemade sausages. The all-metal build feels solid in the hand, guiding each ingredient through precision-machined parts that stay smooth, steady, and wonderfully fast. The specialized tubes let you shape different sausage styles with a clean, continuous flow, bringing a professional touch to weekend cooking. Every piece detaches for a quick wash, keeping your prep area organized and ready for the next recipe. It's the kind of upgrade that expands what your mixer can do and elevates everything you prepare. And today, this versatile attachment arrives at $39.99, a refined addition to your culinary setup. A tool this compact can transform how you store snacks and ingredients in your kitchen. The FEPPO mini sealer closes chip bags and plastic pouches with a clean, heated line that locks out air and keeps flavors intact. One side seals, the other cuts, giving you total control over portioning and freshness without switching gadgets. It fits in one hand, attaches to the fridge with its magnetic strip, and travels easily in a drawer or tote. With each swipe, You reduce waste and extend the life of your food in a way that feels effortless. It's a small helper that quietly elevates your pantry routine. And today, it lands at $18.99, a clever addition to your everyday storage. This extra-long warming tray brings a refined touch to your table with its black tempered glass and gold edges, turning any meal into a polished presentation. The full surface heat keeps multiple dishes warm at once, spreading steady warmth for parties, family nights, or buffet setups. It powers on instantly, stays consistent for hours, and moves easily thanks to its sleek handles. A versatile piece that elevates serving moments for $99.99. Few appliances transform drinks like this slushie maker, blending sodas, juices, or cocktails into a frosty mix without relying on ice. Its presets fine-tune consistency, delivering everything from light sips to dense frozen blends with impressive accuracy. The spacious tank serves groups smoothly, dispensing straight into your cup. A self-clean mode keeps it ready for the next round. A bold kitchen upgrade at $149.99. Powerful sealing tools can change the rhythm of a kitchen, and this one elevates every ingredient you prepare. The Anova Pro delivers a deep, steady vacuum with a double seal that protects meats, vegetables, and marinades for sous vide or long-term storage. Its one-hand design keeps the process controlled, letting you clamp, vacuum, and seal with smooth precision. Switch to the wet mode for juicy foods, keeping every drop contained while the seal stays firm. Lift the lid to reveal the integrated bag roll and cutter, a hidden setup that keeps your counter clean and your workflow organized. Use the accessory port to seal jars, containers, or opened wine with the same airtight finish. Each detail feels engineered for cooks who value accuracy, order, and flavor. And today, this professional-grade sealer arrives at $109, a refined upgrade that strengthens every preparation in your kitchen. A machine like this Gevi espresso maker reshapes your morning routine, drawing out rich flavor with a 20-bar system that delivers cafe-level extractions at home. Its temperature control and pre-infusion create a balanced shot, while the steam wand transforms milk into smooth microfoam for lattes, mochas, or cappuccinos. The stainless steel body feels solid, compact, and modern on any counter, and the controls guide each step with clarity. With a hot water function for tea or Americanos, it becomes a versatile companion for daily rituals. And today, it joins your kitchen for $126.99, bringing barista craft to your space. Organizing your drinks takes on a new level of elegance with this Honeywell beverage fridge, built to keep every can at a steady chill inside its triple-pane glass front. The digital thermostat fine-tunes temperature with clarity, and the soft interior lighting gives your collection a clean, curated look. Shelves slide out to adapt to different sizes, while the adjustable legs secure the unit on any surface. A stylish addition to kitchens or bar areas for $209.99. Keeping a constant supply of ice becomes effortless with this EUHOMY commercial unit, built to deliver steady production for kitchens, bars, or outdoor cooking areas. Its system creates up to 100 pounds a day and stores a generous 33 pounds, giving you a reliable reserve for gatherings, service hours, or daily use. The LCD panel guides every function, from adjusting cube size to activating the cleaning program, and it displays ambient temperature to help maintain efficiency. The compressor works with quiet stability, producing clear cubes without disrupting your space, while the energy-efficient design keeps long-term costs in check. Built from stainless steel and approved for commercial environments, it fits seamlessly under counters or stands on its own with a professional look. With simple drainage, automated overflow control, and high durability, it's a powerhouse for anyone who depends on consistent ice. And today, it enters your setup for $329.99. Milkshakes get a playful upgrade with this retro-style mixer, spinning classic ice cream blends into smooth, creamy drinks with its 2-speed motor. The stainless steel cup keeps ingredients chilled while the weighted base holds steady as it mixes. Tilt the head back for quick cleaning, swap flavors easily, and use it for batters or eggs when you're cooking. A charming addition to any counter for $29.99. Managing grains becomes far more organized with this Lifewit rice dispenser, built to hold 25 pounds while keeping everything sealed, dry, and protected. Its airtight lid shields condense from moisture and odors, preserving freshness for rice, beans, corn, or other pantry staples. A single press releases a clean, controlled portion, and the clear window shows exactly how much remains. The measuring cup includes drainage holes for rinsing, giving you a smooth workflow from storage to cooking. Its compact shape fits neatly on counters or pantry shelves, adding order without taking valuable space. And today, this smart storage upgrade arrives for $29.99, bringing clarity and convenience to your kitchen routine. Precise cooking becomes simpler with this digital spoon scale, capturing tiny measurements that regular tools can't detect. Its high-accuracy sensor reads ingredients down to 1/10 of a gram, giving you full control when handling spices, coffee, or baking portions. Switch units, tare containers, and lock readings with clear, responsive buttons. 2 interchangeable spoons adapt to liquids or powders without taking space in your drawer. A smart helper for $9.99. High-heat cooking becomes effortless with this Mosaic induction system, driving rapid, even warmth into its Carbon Steel Wok for true wok hay aroma and seared flavor. Temperature adjusts in precise 5-degree steps, letting you shift intensity instantly while the digital panel responds without delay. Lightweight and portable, it performs consistently in small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. Safe, efficient, and fast, it elevates stir-frying for $169.99. Stir-frying gains power and precision with this Carbon Steel Wok, pre-seasoned at intense heat to build a naturally non-stick surface that improves with every use. Its flat bottom settles firmly on any cooktop, heating quickly and evenly for searing, tossing, or simmering. A clear glass lid lets you follow each stage without lifting it, keeping flavor and moisture in place. Durable, responsive, and versatile, it becomes a daily cooking partner for $33.99. Prep work becomes quicker and more controlled with this handheld chopper, built to slice vegetables, herbs, nuts, and onions with clean, repeated cuts. Its compact body fits comfortably in the hand, letting you use it on a board or on the included base when you need fast portions for snacks or seasoning. The stainless steel blade rotates with each press, turning one push into multiple knife cuts while the guarded design keeps fingertips protected. A soft touch plunger improves comfort, reducing strain during longer sessions. Disassembly is simple for rinsing or placing parts in the dishwasher, and the lightweight build makes it easy to pack for picnics or outdoor cooking. From cheese to boiled eggs to garlic, it's a versatile tool that streamlines everyday prep. And today, it joins your kitchen for $23.74, adding speed and precision to your routine. Stubborn lids stop being a problem with this OXO twisting opener, built to grip caps firmly while keeping your hand relaxed. Its wide handle feels steady, pairing with the non-slip base pad to anchor jars as the teeth lock onto any lid size. From tiny bottles to large pickle jars, it tightens smoothly and releases lids with controlled motion. A simple everyday helper for $15.49. Frozen treats feel endless with this Ninja CREAMi, transforming bases into ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or smoothie bowls with impressive smoothness. Its 7 one-touch programs adjust speed and pressure perfectly, while mix-ins let you add chocolate, fruit, or nuts for custom creations. Freeze your base, process and enjoy silky results, or use respin for an even creamier finish. A fun, compact upgrade for $189.99. Deep cleaning turns noticeably easier with this cordless spin scrubber, built to cut through grime with steady, rotating power. 2 speed modes handle everything from soap buildup to stubborn stains, letting you switch intensity with a single press. The large capacity battery keeps the brush running for long sessions, while the display shows exactly how much charge remains. 6 interchangeable heads adapt to tubs, tiles, sinks, windows, and tight corners, giving every surface a polished finish. Lightweight construction keeps your wrist comfortable, and the waterproof design lets you rinse the tool without worry. a smart companion for homes that value order, brightness, and efficient routines. And today, it upgrades your cleaning setup for $25.99, bringing clarity and speed into your everyday upkeep. Keeping cut produce fresh gets easier with this set of Avocado Savers, built with a flexible dual-sided silicone membrane that conforms tightly to fruits and vegetables. The seal slows browning and protects color, helping avocados, tomatoes, onions, or lemons stay usable for days. A clear, stackable body keeps your fridge orderly and makes contents visible at a glance. Durable, food-safe, and reusable, they reduce waste at home or on the go for $14.99. Pantry storage feels sharper with these pour spout clips, built to seal bags tightly while giving you clean, controlled servings of cereal, chips, or pet food. The angled spout releases portions smoothly, and the flip lid opens with a quick thumb tap for fast access on busy days. Each clip snaps on firmly to block air and preserve freshness, while the stackable design keeps shelves tidy. Durable PP construction adds long-lasting reliability for $7.99. Apple Prep moves faster with this compact peeler, turning whole fruits into clean, spiral skins in just a few seconds with a smooth crank. The flexible blade adjusts to each apple or pear, removing only a thin layer to reduce waste. Stainless steel parts add durability, and the set includes a slicer, mini board, and extra blades for long-term use. Easy to clean and simple to store, it streamlines baking and snacks for $19.99. Countertop cooking reaches a new level with this Emeril Lagasse French door air fryer oven, built to handle everything from crisp snacks to family-size roasts. Its 26-quart chamber fits pizzas, full chickens, and trays of vegetables, while the dual-speed fan drives 360-degree airflow for golden, even results. Toast cycles finish automatically with clear indicators, removing any guesswork from breakfast prep. The stainless steel exterior adds a polished look, and the elegant doors open with one smooth pull for easy access and monitoring. With 24 functions and 7 accessories, it becomes a multitasking centerpiece for gatherings or everyday meals. And today, it elevates your kitchen for $149.99.